Happy Planner Wednesday. This spread, I thought I would deviate from my classic movies just for this spread. I saw this paper and I love it. It's so happy looking, the check and then the dots, I love it. And I wanted to do all Dollar Tree. So these stickers are coming from the Dollar Tree, and so is this washi that has the little owls on it. Okay, this spread is going to be from March the 5th through March the 11th. So let me take my paper out of my planner, and I'm so glad everyone loved An Affair to Remember. That is a wonderful movie. Okay, first I'm going to cut my paper. Okay, I've decided I want the checks to be the dominant theme. And then I really do love this polka dot paper. I think these are going to make a nice combination. Okay, let's lay our paper out like we want it. This just looks so springy to me. And down here, all the flowers are blooming, so it's really pretty. Okay, let's glue this down. My neighbor's doing some yard work. Okay, I think that's going to look really sweet. All right, let's get our stickers. Dollar Tree just has so many pretty, happy little stickers. Okay, now I want to put this tree down, and I love the fact that it has such dimension to it. I think I'm going to put my tree about right here. I think it's going to be so cute. I love it. And then I'll put these two right up here. And I might put these right here because they're just so festive. And here's a little owl, and he is on a stump. I think I'll put him here. And these two, they're just precious. That's all you can say about them. I love owls anyway. I think they are so cute. And then I'll just put some flowers around here. Might put one there. I might give him a flower. Of course, the flower is almost as big as he is, so I don't think I'll do that. Maybe I'll give him a smaller little flower. And I'll just put this one right here. And that's all the stickers. And now I just need to write down a few things. Okay, now I'm just going to put this back in my planner and we'll take a look at it. But I think it's just going to look so sweet and springy. I'm just definitely in the mood for spring. But I think this turned out so pretty. I mean, you don't have to spend a lot of money to do a planner. Dollar Tree has beautiful stickers. Okay, you can see I forgot to put the washi on the other side, so I went back and put it on off camera. It really wasn't hard. All I had to do was just lift up those stickers gently. And only a couple of them were really stuck. As long as you're careful, sometimes you can peel things up. But I'm kind of glad this happened because it lets you see there's nothing that you can do that's disastrous. We all make mistakes. We're all human. And as long as you fix it, you're fine. Okay, and then we'll just try to peel these little guys up. Can probably stick that under. Okay, now you can see that I did fix my mistakes. Nothing was hurt and everything. You really can't tell that I had made a mistake. So I'm glad that this happened. No one's perfect, and you can see how to fix your mistakes. So if you enjoyed my happy little spring owl, and like I was saying, Dollar Tree has beautiful stickers, and you really don't have to spend a lot of money to create a really cute planner with the Dollar Tree stickers and washi. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.